soil pollution. Firstly, the main point is what is soil pollution. So soil pollution is a decline in quality of land or soil, which means the quality of the soil is decreasing. There are a few causes of soil pollution. For example, chemicals in agriculture, which means the use of pesticides, fertilizers and herbicides. Next is mining and untreated sewage, which means the drains are not cleaned properly. And lastly, dumping of domestic refuse, which is usually caused by humans. So how to overcome this pollution is by decreasing the use of herbicide, pesticide and fertilizer in agriculture. Next, reuse and recycle in daily life, which means before we throw away anything, we should think of a way to reuse and recycle it. Thirdly, proper solid waste treatment, which means don't throw rubbish away carelessly. And lastly, reduce deforestation and begin reforestation. Technically, with soil pollution, the less reforestation means that it could actually lead to water pollution as well due to soil erosions. As a student, we can overcome soil pollution by organizing a 3R campaign to raise awareness, which means we have to talk to the students and teach them how to reuse, reduce and recycle. Eat organic foods that are grown without the use of pesticides, which means that we don't support agricultural fields that use dangerous chemicals in their farming. Lastly, buy and use biodegradable products, because after that product decays on the soil, it could actually give some nutrients to the soil as well. A few fun facts on soil pollution. Soil pollution can affect humans through inhalation, direct skin contact, and eating poison plants. Now this is a major problem, especially in the agricultural field, because the pesticides not only absorb in the soil but also into the plants as well. So if somehow a human seems to consume that produce, it could lead to food poisoning. Next, the source can be located far away from the polluted area, which means it doesn't necessarily need to be near the polluted area. For example, for sewages, the main source could be 5 kilometers away from the polluted area. Next, does not cause much effect after immediate exposure, which means sometimes soil pollution doesn't show the effects immediately after contact. It could happen in a month or a week. Lastly, can also lead to water contamination. As I said, it can cause water pollution due to soil erosion. A few areas that have experienced soil pollution is China, Bangladesh and India.
Video.